Beattie Passive was born out of a desire to be able to deliver houses that actually met their design criteria. After 30 years in the industry, I found that the whole industry had been failing to actually get the performance gap, that's the way that buildings are designed, to actually built to be exactly the same.
Beattie Passive automatically delivers to Passivhaus standard. Triple glazed gas-filled windows, high levels of continuous insulation. This gives no joints, no gaps, no thermal bridges. In conjunction with MVHR, mechanical ventilation and heat recovery, we get good heating and increased comfort levels in the home. We have patents now in 57 countries, and that's growing, and are the first company to be given certification for our system by the Passivhaus Institute. That's for a complete whole building system.
Beattie Passive can incorporate any style of architectural design into the build system. We work in collaboration with you, the client, and your architect, and provide detailed design, PHPP assessments, SAPs, EPCs, building regulations approval. We provide the whole detailed design for any type of building. We can take all your design aspirations and incorporate them into your Beattie Passive home.
I think that most people in the industry now realise that passive house structures are some of the most thermally efficient structures in the world, and Beattie Passive is an excellent example of a passive house. One of the things that struck me first about the Beattie Passive build system was their focus on some of the other areas of the construction process, things like fire ratings and things like acoustics. Our build system has been fire tested to 1 hour 47 minutes to one side of a party wall. Our system also achieves 3 times building regs for acoustics. Some of our biggest inquiries at the minute from customers living on flight paths and living next to train lines. Another thing that separates the Beattie Passive build system from other systems is its longevity. All the materials that we use are designed to last. We want to do an air test from day one, but ensure that building maintains its thermal performance for the lifetime of the building.
Within the industry, there is a very high performance gap between what is designed and what is delivered. We are one of the few companies who guarantees the performance of our homes and test every single building that we design and or deliver. We have independent testers who undertake a number of tests on structural completion. This includes structural sign-off at key stages along the build process, airtightness testing, and also we do thermal imaging of every single building to guarantee that insulation is continuous around the whole form and that no heat can escape. When complete, we certify every single building to ensure that the performance that you have designed has been delivered.
Once you've agreed your architectural designs with our architectural team, you have 2 options for delivery. You can either build it yourself by coming on our training academy, or you can have it manufactured and erected by our team.
We're here at the Beattie Passive Training Academy. Here we teach a wide range of people in all the techniques required for a passive construction.
John takes you through it from the absolute beginning and misses no elements. You can ask questions whenever you want. So yeah, it's a good rounding.
With our off-site solution, the client will complete their groundworks, at which point we will send in our substructure team to complete the insulated ground floor. After this has been completed, the panels arrive and we erect them within a matter of days. At this point, the continuous void is then filled with insulation. The windows are fitted and then the house is fully tested. Beattie Passive's work is then complete and we will leave the client with a weathertight and airtight, fully tested structure. At this point, there are various options open to the client. They can either complete the project themselves, or they can project manage other trades to come in and complete it for them. Alternatively, Beattie Passive can project manage it all the way through to a turnkey situation.
We've got a really phenomenal opportunity in the building industry to actually take house building and completely change the way it's been done up to now.